Hi everybody, it's Karen. I just wanted to talk to you for a couple minutes about your meal plan. You're doing a fantastic job on your exercise program. I know you're working out and you're doing really well at it, and you're starting maybe to see a little bit of benefits from that. But the meal plan, you probably had a chance by now to look through your booklet, to look through the materials and read through your nutrition guide. And maybe that's a stumbling block for you. Maybe you're still not finding it very comprehensive, or maybe it's hard to remember. Maybe it's a little bit confusing. So I do have a solution for you. It's called Portion Fix, and it's developed by 21 Day Fix, and it's the colored containers, which you've probably seen before. And what it does, it teaches you how to eat. It's a long-term solution for weight loss and for nutrition. Because it teaches you how to choose real food, the right foods at the right portions. And it's all customized according to your starting weight and your activity level. So like I said, you can still do the exercise program that you already love and just fit this in as your nutrition plan. So how does it work? It actually teaches you through two different kinds of learning methods. One is kinesthetic, and by that I mean that it's visual and it's hands-on. So visual, I can see that the green container is veggies, the purple container is fruits, the blue container is dairy. Obviously I get less dairy than I do veggies because that container is smaller. And it's also hands-on, so that when I work with these colors every day and I pack them for my lunch, then actually just the physical act of doing it helps me to remember. Because there's an old Chinese proverb that my husband's company uses quite a lot, because he works with adult learners every day, and the proverb goes like this: tell me and I'll forget, show me and I may remember, but involve me and I'll understand. So when you're involved in the process of learning, in the process of packing these colored containers, and you can see it and work with it, then you're much better able to understand and make better choices when you have to go out and choose those real foods in the real world after you're done with your Beachbody program. And the second way that you learn is by tracking. There's a fabulous book called The Compound Effect, and it is all about tracking, about eliminating bad habits or creating good habits just by tracking what you do every day. So maybe you want to get hold of how much money you're spending. You're going to track every single penny, whether you get buy something from the gumball machine, or you pick up a cup of coffee on the way to work. Whatever you're spending money on, you track. You tally it up, and it's always surprising once you tally it sort of at the end of the day or at the end of the week, and it helps you to just sort of refine your habits. And that's exactly what these containers do too, because if, for example, depending on your beginning weight and your activity level, say you're supposed to get 6 veggies and 4 servings of fruit every day, at the end of the day, boy, you know what? I went a little bit over on my proteins today, but I didn't get enough veggies yet, or I didn't get enough fruits yet. And so it really helps you to tweak the choices that you make every day throughout the day, as far as what you're eating, so that you can just make better choices. I've been doing a lot of research, and just through my business and through my Clean Eating website, I get a lot of information and talk to a lot of people about fad diets and about the new things that are going on right now about how to get healthy, these paleo diets and alkalizing diets. And the more I learn through them, and the more I look back to the Portion Fix, this is exactly where it is. Paleo just means that these are foods that are grown from the earth, that are completely natural, and that's what the food lists are for this. And also with the alkalizing diets, these are not acid-forming foods, but base-forming foods. What are your acid-forming foods that you need to stay away from? A lot of animal products and a lot of processed, refined foods. So, like I said, and animal products includes dairy. So you can see my protein and my dairy are smaller, and even really smaller than this one too, which is your grains. You're going to get a lot more plants in your system than you are animal products. So that's what I mean by alkalizing. This is a fantastic system. It does work. It is a proven program, and it is, like I said, long term. One of the fantastic things about this too, I mean, it's $40. You get, whew, there go my containers. So you get the, I got your attention though, didn't I? So you get the containers. It's only about $40. You have them forever and ever. You have the food list. You have the little book to calculate how many portions you have, so that in the future, if you go get, if you graduate from your program, and you're out in the real world and you're starting to make choices that are causing you to gain weight, just go right back to this. You've already paid for it, and all you do is you buy your own food, which you buy anyway, right? This is not a Nutrisystem diet or a Weight Watchers diet that only teaches you an arbitrary point system, and that you spend a lot of money on eating the food, what they call food, that you have to buy through them, because what happens with that is they make you buy their processed packaged food that has a lot of sodium in it, and then as soon as you get off of their plan, you tend to bloat up again. I know one coach friend whose nephew was on Nutrisystem. He lost 30 pounds, which was his goal, and that was fantastic, but he also lost $330 a month and buying their foods, and that didn't even include the fresh ingredients that he needed. And then as soon as he went off the system, he gained 25 pounds back on. So that is not a long-term solution. That's very short-term diet. And he felt terrible the whole time, by the way, too, because he was not choosing nutrient-dense foods like the food list on the Portion Fix. So that's my little spiel just for today. If you want information on the Portion Fix, you know how to find me. Good luck with your eating plan. Eat less crap, eat more real food, whole food, clean food, drink a lot of water. You can do this. Take care.